Watch this video and learn how to draw a Christmas Santa elf.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. Are you in a good mood?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
What we draw today?
What are we going to draw?
Yeah.
Santa's elf.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
You love anything to do with Santa, don't you, Artie?
Oh, Artie loves.
Well, let's get going and draw this elf.
Yeah.
Good day, Artie!
Hey, Artie, how's it going?
All right, this is going to be a very Christmassy drawing, Artie. Are you ready to get Christmassy? I am.
Hey, Betty, I wonder what Artie's gonna create today.
I'm sure it will be fabulous.
Let's start by drawing a small circle at the top of the page on the right. Now let's draw a large half circle going all the way over and touching the smaller circle. A little bit more, Artie. Perfect. Now draw a smaller half circle connecting to the larger one. We already have our elf's hat.
Okay.
Let's draw the crown. Some little circles connected together with V's. Circle, V, circle.
I wonder what it's gonna be.
I'm not sure yet.
V, circle. If we're going too quick, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now we're going to draw our elf's head. It's going to be a circle, but sometimes it's difficult to draw a circle in one go, so we're going to do it in sections. First the top section, and then the left, the bottom, and finally the right section to complete the circle.
Artie is so talented, isn't he, Mikey?
He really is.
Let's draw our elf's hair. We're going to do some little scoop shapes. Scoop, scoop, scoop. How about some eyes? Let's draw two little oval shapes. One on the left for the left eye, and of course, one on the right for the right eye. Let's draw tiny little black circles in the bottom of those ovals. Speaking of ovals, let's do an oval-shaped nose.
Artie's having so much fun.
Yes, he really is.
Let's add a tiny little smiley mouth. How about some big elf ears? Draw a hook and then come up from the face and join up to the hook. There's the right ear. Draw another little hook shape inside the ear. Same again on the left side. Try if you can, Artie, and make the left ear look exactly like the right ear so that they're a similar shape and a similar size. Just like both of your ears are similar. Let's give our elf a collar. A little bit like his hair, let's draw a series of scoop shapes. Draw a small circle exactly where his tummy would be. This is going to be his belt buckle. Now draw a smaller circle inside. Perfect. Draw two little rectangles on the right with a space in between them. This is his belt. And then draw the same on the left side. 2 little rectangles with a space. Now on the left, draw a line straight down but at an angle. That's it, Artie. Perfect. And on the right side, do the same. A straight line at an angle. Do a little curve on the end. Let's connect those 2 lines together from the left side to the right with a slightly wavy line.
Oh, that's right.
Dance break?
Wait.
Okay, let's stop and have a dance break.
Keep going, Artie, keep going.
He sure has the moves.
Very, very good, yes. 10, obviously 10.
Great dance break, Artie. And Louis gave you a 10. Full points. Okay, let's get back to the drawing.
Okay.
Let's draw the elf's right arm. 2 lines coming out on the right side, one below the other. And then let's draw a glove. We'll do a little rectangular shape and then 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Let's do exactly the same on the left side. 2 straight lines, one below the other, a rectangle for the glove, and then 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now I think he needs some legs. Let's do the left leg first. 2 lines coming straight down. 1, 2. The same for the right leg. 2 lines, 1, 2.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
Let's do the right shoe. A straight line, a back to front J shape, and then a spirally toe shape. Another spiral right underneath. Continue all the way back to the heel. Now he has 1 shoe. He can do a 1-shoe dance. Okay, let's give him another shoe so he can dance properly. A heel, a spirally toe, another spiral underneath, and go all the way back round to the heel. Let's make his legs stripy. Draw some little lines spaced apart. 1, 2, 3. The same on the left leg. 1, 2, 3. I think he's complete, Artie. What do you think? Is he finished? He's finished. He looks great. I can't wait to see how you colour him in.
Give it a splash of color, Artie.
Give it a splash of all the colors.
You've finished! He came out so good, Artie. I love the colours. Very Christmassy, the red and the green. And I really love his brown shoes, brown hair, and pink rosy cheeks. Wonderful work, Artie.
Wow, I'm really impressed with that. What a great day.
It was a fantastic day.
Well, little artists, thanks for watching. We hope you have a really arty Christmas. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.